Welcome back to DeepBridge Bingeables. Guys, it's hot. Under these lights, there's like 9 lights. If you're wondering why the lighting is so good, it's because there are 1 million of them. Blah, blah, blah. And it's not worth the sweat. No, I'm just kidding. It definitely is. And today, as the title suggests, we're going to talk about Tesla. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of DeepBridge Bingeables. Wow, that's hard to say. Today we're going to be talking about Tesla, and I'm going to link everything below. As always, we're going to keep this one short, but the Tesla news today is fascinating, and I think the shares have skyrocketed based on the delivery numbers, and it looks like they've actually outpaced delivery. And if you haven't really followed it, then you probably follow Elon Musk. Go check out his Twitter. It's obvious. Good news. They've had good news. And when they have good news, he's definitely going to tell you about it. He's had a lot of critics lately, especially since he was on Rogan, and a lot of controversy and a lot of people talking about, look, we should get rid of Musk as CEO of Tesla just because of the profitability problems and concerns. And the numbers today, if you just look at pure numbers, what they're showing is a beat. They're 10 times EBITDA. So there's a lot of things to look at that are good and bad. And I think here, I'm just here to, I'm not really here necessarily to call balls and strikes, but I'm just going to send you the link. You'll see it in the description below. But the interesting thing I think about this story, and I don't think it's all it's cracked up to be, is if you break down the numbers, and again, this goes back to, I love this story personally, and I'm not going to go too far into it because I think that it oversteps what I think is comfortable and fair. I don't want to seem like I'm trying to give you a financial read or anything like that. I'm not an advisor. Don't take what I say, but I think this is wildly. I think this is wildly. I think this story and I think the numbers are wildly inflated, and not necessarily the numbers, and they're real. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying there's so much positivity, the facade of positivity injected into the story that I think the price of the stock, it's baked into it. The problem is when you actually break down the numbers, they get 97,000 in this quarter delivered, which is like quadruple what they did in Q2 18, 95,200 vehicles. But if you break it down, it's the lower model. It's the Model 3, which did 77,550 Model 3s. Now, I'm no mathematician, but that's a majority of what they delivered. When you think about a brand and a company, and you think about what Musk is pitching, think about the marketing strategy involved with selling a premium product. What does the Model 3 come in at? I know there would be a lot of people emailing me saying, look, you got the price wrong. So I'm not even going to guess the price of the Model 3, right? But they have the Model 3, and then they have the upscale different versions of the vehicle. So let's actually take a look at that. So that's the Model S and the X. So they saw declines. Delivery of the two higher end models were down more than 20% to 17,650. However, Tesla managed to get more of these vehicles to customers than they did during the first quarter of 19, which sequential growth coming in at 46%. Now, I think that is the big storyline. I think that's the big plot line of all this. And when you think about your marketing strategy, when you think about Tesla's marketing strategy, they're trying to sell a premium product, the Model S or the Model X and the Model S, and those are declining. So they're not sustaining at least a plateau, but they're not sustaining any sort of reasonable growth on their higher end premium tiers, which when you look at Tesla's marketing strategy, they're going to have to start trading up. Cadillac EVs are coming soon, or Ford. So there's a lot of things happening in the industry and a lot of people on the move, and a lot of other car companies that are slowly becoming stronger and stronger competition. And I think Musk knows this. Obviously, the EV market is going to swell. Now, if all they're doing is producing Model 3s, which they are, they're shipping them finally, but they have Musk has openly said he doesn't really believe in marketing, which let's let it go. But they're going to have to start doing some conventional marketing. That is the fact that they over-delivered there, that's a huge win. Do you think that Musk can sustain that? Now, I think the news today kind of only bolsters the fact that they should get rid of Musk. I do think that Removing him from Tesla is the right move. I think it's the smart move. And I think if you want to create a profitable company out of Tesla, you have to move him. He's not the kind of person that's going to be able to deliver that kind of sustained growth they need to keep that stock growing. I personally don't think that. And I don't think that is sustainable. In 3 months, get on this video and call me an idiot. But I promise you, they're not going to over deliver like that. Keep binging, guys. If you have any other suggestions, I'm Nick Williams, DeepBridge Consulting. Shoot it out to me in the comment section below, and we'll cover the topic. But otherwise, we'll see you here soon for some more DeepBridge binge. I need to just DB something. I need to come up with a better name. But see you soon. Keep checking this guy out, guys, and I appreciate your support. Talk soon. Welcome to another episode of DeepBridge. Good God. Welcome to another episode of DeepBridge. Is this real? Whew. It is late. Coming from the financial world, I used to work at